Today, I crochet a blue butterfly hairband, the butterfly embellishment, making the headband come alive. Let's learn it together with the tutorial. Use Willis thread, retro short-haired rabbit and 2.0 millimeters. Start with a crochet ring and make a knot. Then we chain 3 stitches. These 3 stitches count as a double crochet stitch. Then we crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Then we chain 2 stitches. 3 double crochet stitches and 2 chaining stitches in a group. We need to crochet 8 groups. Finish. Find the double crochet stitch and this thread end. We pull it tight to make the hole smaller. At the 2 chain stitches of the previous round. First, find any one of them. Bring the thread through and chain 3 stitches, which counts as a double crochet stitch. Then we crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2 stitches. Then in the hole just now. Then 3 double crochet stitches. This is a set of patterns. 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet stitches. In the next hole, crochet. First, hook 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2 stitches. And continue to crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, so for the second group, there are 6 groups left. Change thread in the third round. At the 2 chain stitches of the previous round, bring the thread over and chain 3 stitches, which counts as a double crochet stitch. We'll crochet another double crochet stitch. After hooking, stand up 3 chain stitches and hook a picot stitch. Pick up the 2 double crochet stitches. This way, 2 double crochet stitches. 3 chain stitches is a group. Here we need to hook 3 groups. Then hook the second group. 2 double crochet stitches. 3 chain stitches. Then pick up 2 threads and pull through. Then hook the third set. 2 double crochet stitches. 3 chain stitches. Pick up 2 threads and bring the thread through to make a slip stitch. The pattern in one hole is completed. Then chain 2 stitches. Then 2 double crochet stitches into the gap and hook a single crochet stitch. Then 2 chain stitches. This is a complete set of patterns. We need to repeat 8 groups. For the antenna, we start with 7 chain stitches. Then to 2. We hook 6 slip stitches. After hooking, continue to make 20 chain stitches. After hooking, continue to 2 and 6 slip stitches. Finish crocheting and cut the thread. Thread the ribbon through here. Fold it in half, and then from this hole here, and pull it out. Then tie a knot. Like this. The little butterfly is done. Start with 15 chain stitches. Then we count down to the 9th stitch. Insert the hook into the 9th stitch. And hook a double crochet stitch. We need to crochet 4 double crochet stitches continuously. After hooking, chain 2 stitches and leave 2 stitches empty. And hook a double crochet stitch in the last stitch. For the second row, start with 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3. These 3 stitches are actually a double crochet stitch. then chain 2 stitches. Turn the fabric. We go up another round. Insert the hook into the double crochet stitch and crochet a double crochet stitch. Then chain 2 stitches. Leave 2 stitches empty in the last double crochet stitch and hook a double crochet stitch. After hooking, continue to chain 2 stitches for the last stitch. Count from here 1 to 3. Insert the hook from the 3rd chain stitch and hook a double crochet stitch. In this way, the 2nd row is completed. Okay, next is the repetitive crochet. The 1st and 2nd rows. First, chain 5 stitches. Flip the fabric. Then at the double crochet stitch, to hook a double crochet stitch. And 2 double crochet stitches in each gap. You can pick half of it, or you can pick the whole loop. Okay, crochet a double crochet stitch on this double crochet stitch. Then chain 2 stitches, then count from here 1 to 3, and hook a double crochet stitch at the 3rd chain stitch. The 4th round is to repeat the pattern of the 2nd row according to this rule until it reaches the appropriate length. This is the finished ribbon. After that, glue the butterfly on both sides. Then our ribbon is done.